come on. Oh, give me that. Come on. One more. Come on. Oh my gosh. All right. What's up, guys? It's your boy KodakStan, the Finesse Kid, and today, as you can see, we're playing Wild Revolvers, and we are really going. Oh, we are really good at it. As you can see, boy, you boys on fire. All right, but yeah, we playing Wild Revolvers with the Finesse Gang, because these boys really think they could, they can handle this pressure when I'm trying to explain to them that they really can't. Oh snap, this dude's really good, so I gotta be careful. Dang, dude, it came out of nowhere. Alright, but yeah, we playing Wild Revolvers with the squad. They really think they can handle us when they really can't. So we about to let them know why we call it a Finesse Kit. I know y'all see this custom. Yes, it's clean. My boy Storm Vegito from Anime Troop, he made it for me. I just told him what I wanted. He just made it happen. He made it a lot better than I was expecting it to. So yeah, if you guys want some custom clothing, they're not paying me or anything. I just really like I really like their the clothes they make, and they're like pretty good at it. So if you guys want some custom clothing, it's really cheap. They won't charge you like as much as some clothing designers will. So if you want some custom clothing, just hit them up. I'll leave their group and Discord in the description. So yeah, you should guys do that. But yeah, we about to get into this and show these boys who Sniper Gang Kodak is. Okay, who your boy looking too clean, too fire.
Welcome back.
Oh snap, that was perfect timing. Oh gosh, that was actually so funny. Salam. Whoa, have you?
Salam. I made chicken masala.
Bro, I got a problem with you guys now, actually.
It's all good, fam. It's all good.
I got a problem.
It's all full.
I got a problem with you guys now.
Oh, yo, they're all here.
Yo, Rack,
No,
that was
bro.
actually, you're set up for death. You're set up for failure. I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah, bro.
What the fuck?
No, give me that kill.
Yeah, I don't know how I got killed.
No, bro, no. I'm getting my revenge on you guys now.
Alright, Salam. Yo, you
That's somebody. Oh my god. No, I'm leaving.
I see that KodakStan.
I got burnt.
Don't follow Stan. Don't follow Stan on Twitter.
Yo. Yo, that's actually too funny, bro. No,
yo,
what?
I found the,
how did I completely miss the bridge, bro? Are you serious?
Cause you're buns. That's the thing.
Shut
You're
up.
buns.
Don't speak to me that way, Salman.
Nope. I'm finna talk to you like that.
Whoa, what the hell?
Oh my god, I just jumped in a river.
Oh shoot.
Bro,
Yo, I got him. Yo, you had like 30 people shooting at you, bro.
How did I dodge all that? Yo,
I don't know. What the hell? How did you shoot me from over there? What? That's cheesy.
Bro, Stan, you know what the thing is, bro? I killed 2 of you. That's an L for you guys.
Nah, I killed you. What are you talking about?
Is that a public server?
Okay, but I killed 2 of you.
Yes, we are actually. Didn't I kick you or something?
Move out of my way, Rock.
Got him.
Why you wanna kick? Why you KodakStan?
Yo!
Sniper Gang
Man,
Kodak.
you turned around and took out both me and KB.
You're just
Wow.
Oh, he does not play around.
Who sent you?
He does not play around.
Send you?
Bot.
Oh no, I gotta call, bro. Too many people coming my way.
Yo! So many people, what?
Yo, you guys
Bro,
all
why
got
is-
murked.
Bro, why send you such a tryhard at this?
What?
I'm
Oh my
just trying to
god.
have fun.
You on his backpack, bro.
I'm just trying to have fun, my guy.
Yeah, send you
All
next
you
level.
on his backpack and he's serious.
No, it's not lying. I got 4 solid kills. Come on now.
Bro, 4 solo kills your buns. You're not even top 5.
What are you saying? Yes, I am. What are you saying?
Yo, look behind you, Stan. Look behind you. Look behind you.
You guys are actual
you like
snakes, bro.
Killer B, do you not see that guy behind you?
Yeah, bro. If I didn't get those 4 kills, this game would be pretty tight right now. So I'm contributing. I'm contributing to my
Nope.
team.
Oh wait, I hit Senju, but I hit the other dude.
Yo, Senju's a monster.
It's full.
The hell? What?
Yo,
where are you?
Stop pushing me.
Yo, these dudes are like honestly camping. Yo, Salem, you know, Salem, I'm coming for you.
Shut up.
Bro, laugh right now, but no, laugh right now, but okay.
Oh my gosh. Yo, that's actually too much. Why'd he say it like that? Oh my gosh. I'm crying. Yo, look at this anime troop clothing, yo, boys. Look at this anime troop clothing. Hold up. Look at this
Hey.
anime troop. Wait, hold
The
up.
finesse kid.
Hold on. Whoa, hold up.
Yo, look at his fake ass
Ice on the
rolling.
wrist.
Oh, snap.
Yo, but look
No,
at me,
Yo,
look
stop
at me.
shoving me. You guys won't let me dance.
Nah, bro, yeah,
Yo,
I'm not letting you
yo,
dance.
Salam.
I just want
Back
to roll
up.
it.
Back up.
Salam.
Oh, snap.
Bro, you reset.
Oh, shoot. Let's get it. Back up. Oh gosh, this is actually. Whoa, what? You guys had a huge lag spike out of nowhere.
I don't know, bro. Don't subscribe to KodakStan. I'm getting bullied.
Oh snap! And it's actually really funny too.
They're bullies. Stan is a bully.
Alright, let's stop.
Don't subscribe to Stan. Don't subscribe to Stan.
Yo,
It's a bully.
shut up.
Don't subscribe to Stan.
Yo,
Oh,
I love all races and all nationalities.
No, he doesn't.
It's not
He's
true, bro.
racist.
What do you mean? I'm black. I don't even think that's possible for me.
100% racist.
Oh my gosh, what?
Bro, that's not Sanju so annoying actually. Who invited Sanju to this?
I did. That's my
Hey, I took him out.
that's my homeboy.
Bro,
Oh, what? How am I getting wrecked this round? I'm lacking.
I have 0 kills. What?
Yeah, me too. Send you.
No way, Sanju only has 1 kill now.
It don't matter because Sheep Bro got 5.
Bro, you're playing some random
Handling
carry.
Sentry right now.
Oh my god.
Well, what the hell I'm supposed to say?
Oh my, yo, this sheep guy is carrying you.
Yo, shut up.
Oh no, you're getting hit by some random dude. How do
Finally,
you
bro.
feel?
Shashi,
Hey,
jeez.
watch yourself, Kodiak.
Whoa.
Watch yourself, Kodiak.
Whoa.
Oh
no!
baby, chill out, man.
Sniper gang Kodak.
No, I was on
Sniper
the,
gang
I was on the
Kodak.
5 kill streak.
Sniper gang Kodak.
Yo, KB fell off the map. KB
Fell off the
How do
map.
you fall off the map? What? Yo, this map is
I tried to
huge. How the
dodge
hell
a
do you...
bullet.
Oh, what?
Yo,
Oh, give me that, give me that.
Yo, this man has an aimbot.
Nah, bro, I'm just better than you.
Nah,
It's the
bro.
best day ever.
Alright, this guy gotta go. I'm not having none of that.
Oh, bro, this sheep guy's too good, man.
Yeah, just
got that backwards.
Just quit. It's a simple.
Sheep bot, right?
Bro, you guys are getting carried by sheep. How do you feel?
What do you mean sheep bop? It's sheep boo.
Nah, I said you're getting carried by sheep.
Sheep boo.
Yo, this guy's aimbot for real.
Yo,
Oh my
I'm
God.
bad. What? Oh my gosh, how did I miss that person?
Oh my god. These guys are camping.
Yo, I'm
around this house.
slacking this round so hard.
Bro, the sheep guy keeps killing me.
Good, huh? Ooh, sniped. What? Oh yeah, I got the kill.
We have Sanju, bro. It's all good.
You have Senju on your team now? Since when?
I
What?
So you guys have him.
Oh,
No, I took out Senju like 5 times, dude.
yeah, he's lacking this round. We
To
both
rap
are.
for him. I've been handling him.
Fuck.
Nah, you're just always lacking. What
What are you talking about? I'm better than you. I don't know what you're saying.
Ain't no sniper gang.
We don't do no talking. Shut up, ho. Look at his body fall. Sniper gang Kodak. Yo, it's after he talked all that trash too, right, guys? Y'all peeped? Y'all peeped?
Yo,
So honestly, bro, what is this man's like camping? Oh, we took the dub.
yeah. I took
Alright,
the last
I got top 5, so
Carried out.
I got top 5, so I'm not stressing. I got top 4 actually.
Yo, but in the game, I'm
Top 5, no debating.
If
Top
you
5,
look on
top
the-
5, top 5.
If you look on the list, I'm top 3.
Or the leaderboard?
Top 3 and what's top 3 in sucking dick?
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, okay.
Whoa.
Hey, hey.
PG-13, PG-13.
You can't be talking like that.
Whoa.
PG-13 channel.
Apologize to the children right now.
I'd like to apologize on behalf of KodakStan.
Hey. Salam.
Some to the dishes.
Yo, when KB does this, it's too perfect, bro.
Okay, no worry.
I said I'd be crying.
Yeah, that does not get old.
Yo, we need another one.
Okay, listen, y'all might be hating right now. Okay, y'all might be hating, but I got that LV camo. You can't hate on me. Nope, LV camo.
Yo, say word.
Alright.
Salam. It actually hurts my throat, bro. I don't know how KB does it. Oh snap! I'll try to hold your hand. Oh snap! I'm gonna teach y'all boys the sauce. So I'm gonna teach y'all boys the sauce, okay?
I heard they got these other Finesse Gang going crazy.
Yo, she just walked away. Nah. She's not about to disrespect me in front of my. Nah.
Twice if you need help.
Nah. All right, bet. She.
Hey, yo, shawty.
Oh snap! Who's this? Hey, girl, come here real quick. My name KodakStan. You probably see me on YouTube. But yeah, I know you like the chain. You like to go. I know you like this ice on my wrist. Ice on my wrist. I'm drowning.
KodakStan.
Come here. Let me talk to you.
Bro, I don't want your trip, yo. I don't want your trip though, Stan. That's the thing. I don't want trip.
Alright.
Listen with that.
So you play guitar, huh? Come here, girl. Let me talk to you. Girl, what you doing? Let me talk to you, bro. Girl. Alright, bet. You gonna disrespect me? In front of my fans?
What are you teaching your fans? Stan, what are you teaching your fans?
I'm teaching my fans the sauce, alright? I'm teaching them the sauce, okay? So they can go home and it could be like, Mom, guess what KodakStan taught me, okay? And she's gonna be like, what did that black teenager teach you today?
Yeah. They're gonna file a report on you. They're gonna be
like, he taught me the sauce. The sauce.
No, he taught me how to be a pervert.
No such thing. Alright guys, that is going to be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. It was real fun. Okay, playing with a squad. So if you guys enjoyed the video, yeah, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more. You know, if you're new and you're like, yo, this dude cool, he pretty dope. Alright, you should definitely subscribe and join the Finesse squad. Alright. You guys should definitely go check out my other videos. Oh my gosh. And you guys should definitely go check out my other videos. They're pretty good too. You know, I like to think so myself, and so do my fans. So I'm just saying, nothing major. But yeah. Alright, so until next time, guys, we out.
Catch me if you can, I keep my muzzle on me. Macaroni, you niggas extra, ain't you? Casper on them, don't do investigation. Yeah, you know money long, check my attitude. Listen up, you hoes better know I ain't mad at you. Baby, ain't a joke.